Let's turn our attention now to Canada, where two international students from India have been sentenced to 3 years in prison and will possibly be deported after they serve the term after they killed an Indigenous man last year in a hit-and-run case in Surrey. The victim was of Cree heritage and was a 43-year-old father. Now, according to the Surrey police, Gaganpreet Singh and Jagdeep Singh were in a red Ford Mustang when they collided with the pedestrian and dragged him for over a kilometre on the 27th of January 2024. The victim was declared dead at the scene. Maha Siddiqui has been tracking the story closely. She joins us with a quick update at the moment. Maha, so two international students from India have now been sentenced to 3 years in prison in Canada?
That's right, Parmeshwar. 3 years in prison and being deported after that to India. They were on a student visa since 2022. And this incident took place last year when, as you pointed out, they hit the pedestrian. And more than that, it was a hit-and-run case which has landed them with a 3-year prison term and deportation. This is because, as the court observed, that it would have been an accident. This is what the prosecution said, and a tragic one. But the fact that they tried to flee, the fact that the victim was dragged for 1.3 kilometers, and one doesn't know whether he died immediately because of the hit or whether it was him being dragged by the car for over a kilometer is what caused the death. And this is what has landed them with this 3-year prison term because of their behavior after they hit the person. The decision that they took at that moment to flee rather than step out, help, and get the victim's support and help at that time has led to the death of the person, an Indigenous person from the Cree community, identified as GJ on the request of his family. They didn't want his details revealed in the media. And this is what has landed them. That is Gaganpreet Singh and Jagdeep Singh, this 3-year prison term and deportation after that. Both of them are international students, both hail from India.